Hey everyone, Alexander Matthias here from saxophoneMasterclass.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb step by step on the saxophone. Now I'm going to be playing this song on the alto sax, but this also works for tenor, baritone and soprano saxophone as well. Now I am going to show you all the fingerings, I'm going to show you all the note names, but you can download your own copy of the fingerings, note names and the sheet music for free at saxophonemasterclass.com/Mary Had a Little Lamb. Once you go to that link and download the sheet music, it's going to be a lot easier to follow along to this lesson. Now if you just started playing saxophone, or maybe you're trying to get back into it, why not try my free 6-day saxophone from scratch challenge? This is a free mini course that I've created that takes you from opening the case, putting your saxophone together, learning how to position your mouth on the mouthpiece, how to put the reed on the mouthpiece, to finally learning your first songs like When the Saints Go Marching In, as well as this song Mary Had a Little Lamb, but with all the exercises, all the correct techniques that you need to learn in order to play these songs with ease. So check out that 6-day saxophone from scratch challenge. There's a link in the description, or just go to saxophonemasterclass.com/saxophone from scratch challenge. It's entirely free to sign up. Just enter your email and your name, and each day for 6 days I'm going to send you an email with the links to the videos that are going to show you everything you need to know about getting started on the saxophone and playing your first songs like When the Saints Go Marching In and this song Mary Had a Little Lamb. So there's nothing to lose. Check out the link in the description, sign up. If you feel like after a couple of days the challenge isn't for you, you can just unsubscribe at any time. Before we move on, let me know in the comment section if you did just start playing, and if you didn't just start playing, you've been playing for a while, let me know how long you've been playing for. Remember to like this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so you can know every single time I upload a new lesson on YouTube. Alright, so I'm going to play you Mary Had a Little Lamb in full before I break down everything step by step. So that's the melody of Mary Had a Little Lamb. All I'm using there are the notes G, A, B, C, and D. So now I'm going to take you through each phrase of this song one by one. So the first part of the first phrase of Mary Had a Little Lamb sounds like this. Okay, so we start on B, which is that one finger in the left hand. Go down to A, which is 2 fingers in the left hand. G, which is 3 fingers in the left hand. Then we go back up to A and then land on B and repeat B 3 times with tonguing. So we go. So we separate the note with just tonguing. Then we go down to A and we play that 3 times and separate that with tonguing. Then we go back up to B, tongue that once, and then go up to D. So D is all the fingers down, 3 in the left, 3 in the right, and that octave key on the back. And we tongue D 2 times. So we go B once, and then D twice, like this. So keep working on that part. That's probably going to be a difficult part to play if you're just starting on saxophone, going from B all the way up to D. So work on going between those 2 notes. So again, that first part of the phrase sounds like this. So that's the first phrase of Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now we're going to move on to phrase 2, where the beginning is actually identical to the first part of phrase 1. Let me show you. So the first part of phrase 2 is the same as the first part of phrase 1. sounds like this. So we're actually playing those same notes, B, A, G, A, B, and then we repeat B 3 times. The next part of the second phrase sounds like this. So we actually play A twice, we tongue it twice, go up to B with just the one finger, and then go down to A again and land on G. So the full phrase sounds like this. Alright everyone, that's how you play Mary Had a Little Lamb. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson. Remember, sign up for the 6-day Saxophone from Scratch challenge if you want to get more in depth into learning all the correct techniques on the saxophone, tonguing techniques, embouchure techniques, which is where you position your mouth on the mouthpiece, as well as other things like breathing techniques and exercises you can practice so you can really improve your technique on the sax. The course is completely free. All you have to do is go to saxophonemasterclass.com/saxophone from scratch challenge, put in your email, and I'll send you all of the content over 6 days showing you exactly what videos to watch and what exercises to practice. You can also check out the link in the description of this video as well. Alright, so that's it from me this week. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly lessons and make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy playing.